How to fix Facebook Marketplace. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook, then open it, scroll down now and click on storage. Click now on clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, and after this go and restart your phone. After this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.